check this out. When we heard about this story, I thought, no, what else will they come up with? But they have topped everything. Imagine a doctor's office where waiting rooms are a thing of the past. Appointments, just a tap away on your phone. That's it. And your doctor actually has time to sit and listen to what you have to say. They don't have to get you in and out in 5 minutes. That is the vision that Amazon, yes, Amazon, that Amazon is bringing to healthcare right here in the state of New Jersey. Today, Amazon One Medical, remember that because you're going to need it on your app. Amazon One Medical is opening its first primary care office in Edgewater in partnership with Hackensack Meridian Health. And they're promising same and next day appointments and 24/7 virtual care. So you wake up, you're sick, you can't get to your doctor. The urgent care down the street is always a 4-hour delay to get in, right? You don't want to go to the ER. You go on your app and you make a quick appointment on Amazon One. So joining us now is Dr. Evelyn Chu, District Medical Director for Amazon One Medical in New Jersey. Dr. Chu, I want to give you a virtual hug through the screen because how many people wake up, they're sick, you call your doctor's office, I'm sorry, we're booked today, maybe we could squeeze you in at 4 o'clock. You go there, you wait 3 hours, you can't get in. This is brilliant. Amazon One Medical, it's of course a name a lot of people associate with package delivery, not healthcare. Tell us what Amazon One Medical is all about and why New Jersey is the next step for this service.
Oh, thanks, Ken. It is so nice to meet you. So Amazon One Medical is Amazon's primary care provider. What that means is that we aim to be your healthcare home base. So what we do is we believe that actually having accessible, convenient care at a low cost is something that's going to improve healthcare for all. And the reason for that is if we make healthcare convenient and accessible, people will be able to access their healthcare, build those connections that are the foundation for improved overall health for all of our communities. We're so excited to bring it to New Jersey and starting in Edgewater, and we really think this is wonderful news. I share your excitement.
Yeah, this is great because people are just fed up with. I mean, I'm gonna I whine a lot on this show. I had a dermatologist appointment about a year ago. I remember where I got there, had the appointment for 2 months, had the appointment all set. Get there at 10 a.m. At 1 p.m. 1 p.m. I'm still waiting. There were senior citizens in that office who were waiting there before me. They still hadn't gotten in. It was infuriating. I understand emergencies happen, but that's the kind of thing that people are fed up with. And that's why I think a lot of people say, I don't want to go to the doctor. I'm tired of that. And so they end up festering. If they have an illness, they don't get it taken care of. The idea that Amazon is organizing it, making it more accessible is brilliant. So now this new office in Edgewater is the first of three, right, in New Jersey this year, with Jersey City and Englewood to follow. So what can patients expect when they walk into this nice new space, and how's it different from the traditional doctor's office?
Oh, I love that you asked that. So, what patients can expect is an experience that's designed around them. So, we really do work hard to make, I see these beautiful spaces here now. We try to make our spaces comfortable, welcoming, and warm. And as you said, Ken, we really work hard to make our offices work on time. Our appointments here at One Medical start on time. So while the waiting rooms are beautiful, you will not spend a lot of time in them as we start and end our visits on time. And that is to prevent experiences like the one that you're describing, where you have an appointment time and you show up on time and then you wait for hours, not just you, but everyone in the waiting room. So
Yeah.
that is a huge part of what you can expect. The other thing you can expect as a patient at One Medical is that we also have 24/7 on-demand virtual care available through your phone, as you said, on an app,
Mm-hmm.
which I think is really amazing, not just because you get the care when you need it in a way that's convenient for you, but also because that convenient care is connected directly to your primary care physician or primary care provider. Again, making us your healthcare home base.
That's brilliant. So it's a One Medical app, which we're looking at on the screen. We're taking a look at the virtual meeting right there with the doctor. So if it's something minor, if you think you have a little cold, little sinus infection, something like that, you could just go on the app and have a telemed appointment. And I love the idea that it's 24/7 because how many times do people get sick at the holidays, right? Or they're on the road somewhere and they don't know a local doctor to go to, and they just feel a little something with their stomach or their head. Now they could just do a virtual appointment, 1, 2, 3, and have their doctor at the other side of their phone. Brilliant. Just a smart thing to do. So, how overall will this simplify healthcare for patients in general? And I think that the only thing that I'm concerned about is older people who may not be as comfortable with an app. So, my suggestion, if I may, is have your kids show you how to use the app because once you learn how to use it, you'll be using it all the time, right?
That's right, Ken. And also, we do have a web based service as well. So if you're not comfy with your phone, you can go onto the internet. And of course, we're accessible by phone too. I definitely have a lot of older patients who will call and try and book the appointment that way. And that definitely works. So,
That's great.
yes, we take care
And
of
it's not
people of all ages.
and the price is you have a small copay, right? You accept their insurance. So how does the pricing system work?
Great question. So we actually do accept most major insurances. We do also have a membership fee that is $9 a month for Amazon Prime members, $99 a year, or and you don't have to be an Amazon Prime member at all. There's a different price. It's $199 for a year for a membership, and that membership supports the 24/7 access. Without a
I
membership,
love it.
we still take your insurance. We'll see you in the office. We'll take your copay. It is very similar to other practices in that way.
You know what? I got the perfect gift for somebody, especially if they have a regular illness or that they're maintaining, or if they're older. That instead of flowers or candy, that to me, and it sounds like I'm doing a commercial for you, but hey, if you need me, let me know. I think that's a realistic gift. Buy somebody a $99 year of access to Amazon One, a Medical One, I should say. That's a brilliant thing. And you have a partnership in New Jersey. I guess it's different with each state depending on the healthcare network there. But your partnership is with the biggest in New Jersey, Hackensack Meridian Health. So that's a key part to this launch. So how does the collaboration ensure that patients will get primary care access to specialists as well, or I should say both primary care access and access to specialists as well as they need it?
That's exactly right. So we are a primary care provider. So what that means is all of us at One Medical practice primary care. That covers the majority of healthcare concerns for most of our patients. They come in, they have their issues, we see them, we take care of it. Sometimes a patient needs an x ray or they need a specialty appointment. In those situations, we have a collaboration with Hackensack Meridian Health, which is, as you said, the largest, most comprehensive healthcare network in the state. And we have a collaboration that allows us to refer in a seamless fashion. We send referrals to them and they get us our results, our consult notes, our x-ray results in a seamless fashion so that, again, we've got coordinated care for our patients.
Doctor, how are you able to spend so much more time with patients? Because I know so many are looking at their health insurance, and that the insurance that pays so many physicians says you have 6 minutes per patient or whatever. And so doctors are, and I know one of my doctor's offices, literally one of the medical assistants is, Doc, you have another appointment, and literally pulls them out of the office. And I'm thinking, I just waited an hour for this appointment. I didn't even say hello to the guy yet. Are you kidding me? It's really infuriating as a patient. So how do you ensure that you can speak a little more with the patient?
Well, again, it's by design, Ken. And again, we are designed around trying to focus on some of these frustrations that patients feel when they're interacting with our healthcare system. We leverage technology to make our providers have more time face to face with our patients and less time sort of dealing with paperwork or what we'd call, desktop medicine. We actually don't have medical assistants in our office. So your primary care provider is the person who is calling you from the waiting room and bringing you to the exam room and talking to you and getting your vitals. And that's some crucial time there as well to just get to spend with your primary care provider.
What a brilliant idea. So now you've already bypassed all those other things. You don't have to come in after the medical assistant took the blood pressure, the temperature, and then look at the chart because you've done it yourself. Smart. Just that this is
Exactly.
why Amazon is the largest company on the planet. This is the reason. So how can people join? So you just go to your Amazon, can you go to your app, your Amazon app, and just join on there if you're an Amazon Prime member?
You definitely can do that, and you can also go to onemedical.com on the computer or on your phone, and it's easy to join.
This is amazing. I love it. And Edgewater opens today, right? And you have more locations on the way. So what's the vision for Amazon One Medical's future in New Jersey? Is the plan eventually to spread literally top of the state to the bottom?
We definitely have a plan to open multiple offices over the next several years.
Wow. Well, I think you got a customer right here, doctor. I'm not kidding. At the very least, I have two elderly parents who live about 45 miles away from me, and I would love them to have access all the time. So this sounds like a brilliant solution, as only Amazon can provide. Dr. Evelyn Chu, District Medical Director for Amazon One Medical. I'll say it two more times so people remember it. Amazon One Medical in New Jersey. Best of luck to you, to the launch of this. Thanks for being there for New Jersey residents, and thank you for joining us this morning. Hope to have you on again.
Thanks, Ken. We'll look forward to taking care of you and your parents.
You're very kind. Thank you, and have a great day. I'm really come back. I want to find out how the launch went and all. So I'm serious. In the next few weeks, if you get time, come back and let us know how things are going with it. Okay.
Thank you.